Good day, viewers. I am Nelly Ruth with today's top stories making headlines across Nigeria. Rivers State's governance crisis. Rivers State is embroiled in a governance crisis as Sole Administrator Ibas appointed administrators for the state's 23 local government areas just 24 hours after a federal high court in Port Harcourt issued an order restraining him from doing so. Ibas has also reconstituted boards of various agencies and commissions previously suspended, raising serious concerns about executive overreach and disregard for judicial process. Public reactions have been swift, with citizens expressing dismay at what they perceive as the deterioration of Nigerians' rule of law. One citizen remarked that the judiciary have completed their madness by handing over the country's justice system to politicians. The bedrock of democracy is dead in Nigeria. Political analysts note this is part of a disturbing pattern where government officials routinely disobey court orders, including those from the Supreme Court. The situation in Rivers State appears to be sliding towards what some describe as one-man rule, fundamentally at odds with Nigerians' democratic principles. Human rights trafficking alert. Activist Vincent Martins Usher, popularly known as Verydarkman, has brought attention to the Nigerian girls being trafficked to Ivory Coast. In a video posted on Instagram, Usher highlighted the plight of hundreds of trafficked girls, some as young as 12, and issued a one-week ultimatum to the chairperson of Nigerians in the Diaspora Commission, Abike Dabire-Rewa, to repatriate them. Dabire-Rewa responded by calling his approach totally wrong, misinformed and ignorant, clarifying that the National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, NIDCOM, is the body responsible for such matters, though NIDCOM has collaborated with them in the past. According to recent reports, digital platforms have become primary recruiting grounds for traffickers, with NIDCOM rescuing over 7,000 victims in the past 2 years. Experts note that economic hardship makes young Nigerians particularly vulnerable to false promises of employment abroad. Justice system failing minors. Human rights lawyer Yini Berefiong has exposed the case of Alabi Kadiri, a minor who gained popularity during Peter Obi's 2023 presidential campaign. According to Efiong, Kadiri has been detained in Lagos Custodial Center since January 2025 on charges of armed robbery after refusing to share gifts received with local area boys. Despite being under 18 years old, Kadiri has been held with 4 adult strangers, highlighting serious flaws in Nigeria's criminal justice system. The Constitution prohibits detention beyond 48 hours without charges. Yet, Kadiri has been held for months, demonstrating how vulnerable citizens can be trapped in the system without advocacy. Birthday tributes to Aliko Dangote at 68. Yesterday marked the 68th birthday of Africa's richest man, Aliko Dangote. From humble beginnings, Aliko has built an empire spanning cement, sugar, flour, and most recently petroleum with his landmark refinery. Beyond business success, Aliko has demonstrated unwavering commitments to Nigeria's development and self-sufficiency. His philanthropic efforts through the Dangote Foundation has provided food aid to millions of Nigerians in need, while his investment has created thousands of jobs across the country. With an estimated net worth of 23 billion US dollars, approximately 36 trillion naira, Dangote continues to be not just a businessman, but a national asset to the symbol of what is possible with vision, hard work, and belief in Nigeria. That's all for our headlines today. I am Nelly Ruth. Thank you for joining us. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.